Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee at the final hotel of my Nashville 3-day trip. I started off at the Graduate Hotel, then I was at the Canopy, and now I'm at a Home2. I try to stay at all luxury hotels, but this Home2 is the only thing I can get on my employee rate. That was downtown for Thursday night today. For some reason, I think there's something on going in town, so you know, hey. So this is an interesting hotel. This place is a true and Home2 suites combo, so it's really true. Like you walk in, it's a true lobby. You're gonna get the true breakfast, and it's literally just a true hotel. And they decided to put some Home2 suites rooms in there, so it's really true, just some Home2 suites. Everything else is true in here. So they do have a pool, outdoor pool, and a hot tub. First hotel I stayed, I think the Graduate may have had one, but I don't know, this trip to Campy didn't have one. Anyways, we're close to Broadway, so yeah, let's take a look. Standard home, 2 suites, got our fridge, utensils, our kitchen area. Very nice. Awesome pans. We got a little hot plate. They don't always include that to Home2. You'll sometimes have to request that, but they give you that there. It's nice. Dishwasher, coffee, all that. Let's go to our bathroom. Very nice. Standard Home2 bathroom, hair dryer, the toilet. Let's see, here's the brand of the shitter. Flush. Okay. Here's a shower. A little warm. Now, this shower looks nice and clean. It's got the old style Hilton bottles before they upgraded. Takes them back a little bit. Could be cleaned a little bit better, wiped down the bar and shower controls. Let's test the shower. Nice looking shower head. Not bad pressure. So far the pressure's not bad. Given our pain in the bathroom. So far the best hotel, the shower pressure I had on the whole trip. Here it's Nashville. Even the True and Ocean State was a Canopy from last night. Had the best water pressure for sure. We got our desk. This is a room with just a king bed. Got a couch, our little current dividers that the Home2 has. We got our thermostat, a mirror. What's up, guys? Lamp, TV, LG, another little area to put your stuff, cabinets, your little closet area. Right here. Little light, no, that works, no, whatever. Your P-Tac. It is on, no, what kind of brand? It's a greedy P-Tac. Okay. You got outlets by the bed, all good there. We're right across the street from Margaritaville. Well, that's Margaritaville right there. That's the AC Hotel Spring Hill Suites there. There's a Holiday Inn. I got two room tour videos there of that Holiday Inn if you want to check that out. That's on the channel. Anyway, we're right here by Broadway. Old Smoky's down that way. If you guys like smoothie chili. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Okay. Let's go give this a bed test. Oh yeah, man, this is Definitely different from the campy from last night. Seems a little springy, not gonna lie. See what kind of mattress we're running after under here. Got a mattress protector. Anyways, so yeah, we want to peel back to bed. Got these nice, Hilton sheets. It was a little warm there. Seen better days, but everything's clean here. Anyway, so in comparison, I stayed at the Graduate the first night I came here. I paid $50 for that. Canopy, I paid $60 for the canopy. Now I'm this was $40 on my employee rate. Everything was on my employee rate for this trip, and yeah, this is the cheapest hotel of my little Nashville trip here. So anyway, yeah, just your typical Home2 suites, and yeah. So yeah, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.